Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. So, what exactly is Microsoft Excel? It is a spreadsheet program. Spreadsheets allows you to keep track of data, create charts and perform complex calculations. Just like a book ledger, spreadsheets store information in columns and rows. It got a whopping 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns. This is how MS Excel looks like. When we open the Excel we get a range of cells. This is denoted as Sheet 1. Known as Worksheet. When we have a collection of sheets it becomes a workbook. Just like a book which consists of pages. This is a small model on how Excel operates. These alphabets are the columns section which goes from A to XFD. Each row is assigned a number from 1 to 1,048,576. Worksheet is these empty space or cells which is denoted as Sheet 1. When our Excel file has more than one sheet, it is known as Workbook. That's wrap up with very basic of MS Excel. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button to stay updated.